welcome to Ellen Ruth Soap. It's Ellen back here talking into the microphone today, and I figured I'd bring you along as I'm restocking one of my best-selling soaps. It's goat milk, oats, and honey. I love this soap, and I've done several videos on making this in more detail, and I'll leave a link for that in the description box below. But right now I'm doing a double batch, and one of the special things about this soap is I use raw, organic, farm fresh goat milk that I do have frozen, and then I thaw it out for this. So fresh goat's milk. I use locally sourced raw honey and a double portion of colloidal oats, and then I do put a little bit of oats on the top too, just to make it special. This soap has such a beautiful, abundant, creamy lather. The honey really aids as a lather booster. It's fantastic. So I pretty much love everything about this bar. And the fragrance I'm using today is oatmeal, milk, and honey from Nature's Garden. I love that scent from them. It behaves perfectly in soap. It's a 2 thumbs up for me. So anyway, I'm going to fast forward through the rest of the soap making, cutting, all of that. And again, I will link a more in-depth version of this soap. I'll link a video down below. And I hope you enjoy the rest of this and have a wonderful day.